Alright guys, you're doing it. So the next question says, what's the missing number in the pattern? Basic pattern is not pattern kind of progression generally geometric progression arithmetic progression የሚባሉ ነገሮች አሉ ማለት የሆነ ቁጥሮች የሚከተሉት ፎሎ የሚያደርጉት ፓዝ ወይም ደግሞ ሁኔታ መንገድ አለ። አሁን ይሄ እንደምታዩት የመጀመሪያ 170 ይላል፣ ከዛ 1 አለ፣ ከዛ 7 አለ። ምንድነው 7 raised to -1 አለ። ስለዚህ ፓወር ላይ ኤክስፖኔንት ነው። 7ም በ-1 ኤክስፖኔንት አደረገ፣ ከዛ በ0 ከዛ በ1 ከዛ በ2 ከዛ በ3 አድርጎ መልሱ ምንድነው እያለ ያለው ምንም በቃ 7 raised to 3 ማለት ኤክስፖኔንት ምንድነው ነው ጥያቄው። the question is 7 you don't have to see the pattern. 7 raised to 3 is 7 times 7 times 7 times 7 times 7 times multiplying 7 3 times, because 7 cube is that's the answer. So just multiply 7 3 times. That's much easy. So let me see how many. So 7 times 7 is 49. 49 times 7. 7 times 9. 49 times 7. So 9 times 6. 6 I have 6 here. 7 times 4. 28. 6. So that's yeah, 343. I think 343 is the answer. So the answer is D, 343. So that's the answer. The other is the next question is, if m raised to 9 over m raised to 6 is equal to 8, what is the value of m raised to 5 over m raised to 2? So you are given this question. So it's you are given the first input, so that you can find the value of m in the second question, the second part of the question. So let's solve this problem. Let me use my dashboard. What does the question says? If m raised to 9 over m raised to 6 is equal to 8. So this means m raised to 9 minus 6 is equal to 8, which is equal to m raised to 3 is equal to 8. You know 8 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2, which is equal to 2 raised to 3. So this and this are the same. That means m is equal to 2. So if you got m is equal to 2, the question is, if this is the case, m raised to 5 over m raised to 5 over m raised to 2 is equal to how much? That is m raised to 5 minus 2, which is equal to m raised to 3. So which is m is 2 raised to 3, which is equal to 8 is the answer. So the answer is 8. m raised to 5 over m raised to 2 is 8. Or you can calculate it this way. You can calculate it after you get m value. m raised to 5 is 2 raised to 5 over 2 raised to 2. m raised to 5, 2 raised to 5 is 64 over 4. 64 over 4 is 64 over 4. Is that it? No, this is not 64, this is 32, right? Yeah, 32 over 4, that's 8. Yeah, 2 raised to 5 is not 64, the 2 raised to 6 is 64. That's the answer. Let's go ahead and solve the next question. It says, astronomers estimate the internal temperature of the sun is 50 million. This is 50 million 50 million degree. This K stands for degree Kelvin. This is the measurement of the unit for measurement of temperature. We know degree Fahrenheit, degree centigrade, but for many scientific calculations, like in subjects like chemistry, degree Kelvin is used. What is the 50 million written? What is 50 million written in scientific notation? 50 million means 10 raised to 6. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. That means 15 times 10 raised to 6. If you have 6 zeros, that means 15 times 10 raised to 6, because the number of zeros is 6. But when you write in scientific notations, you cannot write 15 times. You have to write just one number in front. So you have to move 5 backward. That means after decimal. So when you move 5 backward after a decimal point, and move the decimal forward 1 point, it's going to be 1.5 times 10 raised to 7. So the answer is B. Let me show you. Let me explain what I said. File, new flip chart. This is what you given. 15 million, and let's add 6. So you have 6 zeros. That means 15 times 10 raised to 6. So this is not in scientific notation. You write like this: 1.5 times, because you moved 150 to the right. That means you add 1 right here, plus 1. If you move to the left, are going to be minus 1. So 10 raised to 7. This is how you should write. Okay, the table shows the mass of 4 planets, planet by mass. Jupiter, 1 second, let me take a note. Jupiter 1.9 times 10 raised to 27. Okay. Mercury 3.3 times 10 raised to 23. Earth 5.98 times 10 is 24, and Neptune 1.02 times 10 raised to 26. So which lists these planets in order from least to the greatest mass? So the bigger mass, which one is the greatest mass means the bigger mass. You see, 27. Everything, whatever it is this is 10 raised to 27. So Jupiter is the greatest mass. So it should come at the end. Jupiter here, B. So B is the answer. Actually, there is no option with Jupiter at the end. So Jupiter is the heaviest planet, in geography or like that. So ጁፒተር የመጨረሻው ላይ የሚቀመጠው ምክንያቱም ቢገስት መጨረሻ ላይ ስለተባለ ከሊስት ወደ ቢገስት ስለተባለ ከትንሹ ስለተባለ ጁፒተር መጨረሻ ነው። ምክንያቱም 27 ነው እዚህ ጋር ያለው እዚህ 27 right here. So ይሄ scientific notation ነው. 27 means it has got one more zero than the others. The other 21, like Neptune has got 26 right here. So Neptune is gonna be the second greater. So here is 24. Earth is gonna be the third least. The third greater, the third least greater, and the other one is Mercury. Mercury is the least heaviest. So this is easy question. So the next question is, what is the product of expression shown below? What is the product of the expression below? The expression is, let's go ahead and solve this one too. Let me see if I have time. Okay, I don't have time, so I have to stop right here.